Hello and welcome to my interactive tutorial session. In this session, you would learn about a business case and what information needs to be documented in a business case. A business case is a form of document that contains information that justifies whether a project intended is worth developing and will be achievable based on the cost, benefits, and expected risk. Before a project is undertaken, necessary and accurate information about the project need to be recorded, such as the cost, the benefits, potential risk, and duration of the project need to be recorded in order to make informed decision. The purpose of a business case is to develop. This should include accurate information upon which informed decision is made. To verify, this assesses the justification of the project and establish if it's worth undertaking. Maintain. This involves record keeping. The business case must be continuously updated during each stages of the project. And confirm. At each stages of the project, it is being assessed whether the intended benefits have been realized or will be realized. When writing a business case, the business case needs to have the executive summary. This highlights the key purpose of the business case, the reasons, explains why the project should be undertaken, and describes how this benefits the organization. The business options provide action plans in place to consider in the event of a loss or an incident resulting in an unexpected outcome. The time scale is the duration of the project and the period over which the benefits will be realized. Benefits. All expected benefits either leading to loss or profits during the project and post-projects. The cost should have the breakdown of the operational and maintenance cost over the duration of the project and post-project. Any risk associated to the project need to be documented as well as any contingency plan should the risk occur. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had clarity and an overview of what a business case is and what information needs to be recorded in a business case. Please subscribe to my channel, and if there are any specific topic you would like me to share with you, please comment in the comment box below. Thank you.